Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best earwax removal cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Cleaner Ear Cleaners, the most affordable option on this list, coming in at just $5.73. These tools are designed for gentle ear cleaning and feature a flexible scoop and fin that make the process safe and comfortable. If you're someone who deals with ear itch or prefers a non-messy solution to earwax removal, Cleaner has you covered. With a pack of 10 reusable tools, this product offers fantastic value for money, especially for families or individuals who need regular ear cleaning. The design is simple yet effective, emphasizing durability and comfort. While the tools are reusable, it's essential to clean them properly after each use to maintain hygiene. These aren't fancy, high-tech gadgets, but their straightforward functionality makes them easy to use for people of all ages. The exfoliation feature is a bonus for those dealing with dry skin or itchiness in the ear area. However, Cleaner's tools are limited in versatility compared to other products on this list. They lack advanced features like cameras or irrigation systems, which means they're best suited for basic earwax management rather than deeper cleaning. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, no-frills solution, this is a solid choice. But for more advanced needs, you might want to consider some of the higher-ranked products. At number 4, we have the Q-Grips Earwax Removal Kit from NBEW, priced at $9.99. This reusable kit includes 16 soft and flexible silicone replacement tips, making it a great value for families or individuals who prioritize hygiene. The standout feature here is the spiral design, which is not only safe but also comfortable for cleaning ear canals without causing irritation or damage. The build quality is solid, with medical-grade silicone tips that are gentle on sensitive areas like the eardrum. The ergonomic handle ensures ease of use, and the spiral head design allows for thorough cleaning while also massaging the ear canal. This is a versatile option for both dry and sticky earwax types, making it suitable for a wide range of users, including kids and babies. Cleaning the tips is straightforward. Simply rinse them with water, and you're good to go. While Q-Grips offers better functionality than basic manual tools, it doesn't feature advanced technology like cameras or irrigation systems. Additionally, it may not be as effective for deeply lodged wax. However, for its price and ease of use, this kit is a fantastic option for everyday ear care. If you're looking for a safe and reusable solution that accommodates various earwax types, Q-Grips is worth considering. Coming in at number 3 is the WEUANI Earwax Removal Kit, priced at $19.98. This product introduces a manual ear irrigation flushing system with a unique nozzle design, featuring both 5-hole and 1-hole nozzles for different water pressure levels. This makes it ideal for tackling various earwax consistencies, from soft to hardened buildup. The kit includes a basin and multiple silicone replacement nozzles, making it a complete package for home ear care. The design prioritizes safety and effectiveness, with soft silicone nozzles that are suitable for users of all ages, including kids, under adult supervision. The manual approach means you have full control over the pressure, making it less intimidating than electric systems. The included instructional manual is clear and user-friendly, ensuring even first-time users can operate the kit confidently. This is a great option for those who prefer a non-electric solution that mimics professional ear irrigation procedures. That said, being a manual system, it requires more effort and practice compared to automated or high-tech kits. Additionally, while effective for general cleaning, it may not be suitable for severely impacted wax. However, at under $20, this kit offers excellent value for families looking for a safe and reusable ear cleaning solution. At number 2, we have the Liput Earwax Removal Tool, featuring an impressive 1080p HD camera for a detailed look inside your ear canal. Priced at $19.99, this kit includes 6 interchangeable ear spoons, a rechargeable battery, and compatibility with both iOS and Android devices. The camera is equipped with 6 LED lights to illuminate the ear canal, making it easy to spot and remove wax buildup. The app is straightforward to use, allowing you to record videos or take images during the cleaning process. The build quality is excellent, with an IP67 waterproof rating for easy cleaning of the otoscope and spoons. The silicone ear scoops are designed to prevent scratching, and the 3 curvature options ensure a comfortable fit for different ear shapes. The rechargeable battery lasts up to 90 minutes per charge, with a standby time of up to 30 days. This makes it a convenient tool for occasional or regular ear cleaning. While the Lippet kit offers advanced features, some users may find the camera setup a bit overwhelming initially. Additionally, it's more suitable for adults, as the camera and spoons require careful handling to avoid injury. However, for those who want a high-tech solution that provides visibility and precision, this product is a game-changer at an affordable price. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Kogic Upgraded Earwax Removal Kit, priced at $59.99. This premium ear cleaner offers advanced features like a one-piece waste tank that combines clean and used water for easier and more hygienic operation. The standout feature is its smart temperature control system, which ensures water is dispensed at a safe and comfortable temperature, 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 102 Fahrenheit. If the water overheats, the device prevents use, adding an extra layer of safety. The design is sleek and modern, with an IPX7 waterproof rating that allows full immersion for cleaning. The unit is equipped with 4 water pressure settings, making it versatile enough to handle everything from mild to stubborn earwax. The package includes a USB-A to C cable for convenient charging and is FSA HSA eligible, making it a smart investment for health-conscious users. The Kogic kit delivers professional-grade cleaning results, making it ideal for individuals with significant earwax buildup or those who prefer a more thorough cleaning experience. However, its higher price point may deter budget-conscious buyers. If you're looking for an effective, safe, and cutting-edge device for ear care, this is undoubtedly the best option on the market. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.